David Mackenzie here with an avforums.tv video summary of Pioneer's top-end BDP-LX91 Blu-ray disc player. Now this is Pioneer's reference player, which basically means that there's a lot of custom technology, careful design, and high-end audiophile components working under the hood. There's certainly no mistaking this for a run-of-the-mill machine either, because the unit is constructed out of solid aluminium. Connectivity on the back of the unit is extensive. Unusually enough, there are two HDMI outputs on the back, the idea being that you'll use one for video only and the other to route sound to your audio setup, keeping the signals separate. If you have an analog AV receiver though, and this is one of the main reasons to own a machine like this one, then you'll want to make use of the 7.1 analog surround outputs. This might seem like a great feature to have on its own, but Pioneer's design takes it to another level. The player has no less than 8 digital to analog converters inside, running from a dedicated analog audio power supply. This results in astonishingly accurate output from these jacks. There's also broadcast style BNC component video connectors for 1080i output, and for some reason composite and S-video terminals, but anyone using these with this machine should have the player confiscated immediately. And before I leave connectivity behind, don't forget that as a full Profile 2.0 compliant BD player, there's an Ethernet port for web connectivity, should you want to go online and talk to your friends with your remote control while you watch a film. There's also an RS-232 port for system integration. One of the ways manufacturers like Pioneer are attempting to add value to their high-end Blu-ray machines is through additional video processing adjustments. Now in theory, the 1080p24 video, which has become the de facto standard for Blu-ray discs, should look great on a 1080p24 display so long as it's decoded and then left alone. So you can probably understand why I'm a little bit uneasy at all the options the user is given to tweak the picture with. Fortunately, they are restrained options and they can have some useful applications with less detailed discs. DVD playback is excellent, as it should be at this price. The machine passed just about every test I threw at it, and the sharpening algorithms built in helped squeeze a bit more life out of the tired format. Diagonal interpolation for video-based software was fantastic, as was the speed and accuracy of the film mode detection for both NTSC and PAL. The only real quirk with the DVD playback is the length of time the layer change takes for dual layered discs. That's a full 3 seconds, count 'em, which isn't much in the scheme of things, but it's still quite a long time compared to other near instantaneous machines. Load times were decent. The simpler HDMV author discs actually loaded a tiny bit faster than the PlayStation 3 for a change, but titles making extensive use of BD Java took almost an entire minute longer, which I suppose is expected given the PS3's background as a high-powered games machine. On the whole, the LX91 is a very nice machine with excellent build quality and fantastic DVD backwards compatibility. If you're going to make use of this player's fantastic analog audio outputs, then it will provide you with value for money. If you're not though, then it's probably best to save the money for some discs and go with a more digitally focused machine. In either case, visit www.avforums.com/reviews for a detailed text review of the player's processing capabilities and build quality. I'm David Mackenzie with avforums.tv, and this has been a video summary of Pioneer's BDP-LX91.